This is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible Rally Sport. This car's got a ton of awesome options on it, and we'll go over them here in just a minute. The car's finished in Le Mans blue, white premium interior. It's got the white stripe on the hood. Really looks good. Nice car, and like I said, convertible. Lots of options. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle on our website. If you have any questions, just give us a call. But we're going to take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible Rally Sport. Like I said, this is kind of a unicorn here. They did not make very many of these Rally Sports with all this options that this car has on it. Really nice car. Like I said, it is finished in Le Mans blue with the white interior and the white stripe. Powered by a 327 automatic transmission, power top convertible. And like I said, it does have Vigilite monitoring system, which are these little lights here on the hood on each side. Really cool. Not very many Camaros came out of the factory with them. This car does have it. It is very cool. It shows you if your brake lights are working in the back, your turn signals, your marker lights. A lot of cool stuff there. So very rare option, kind of a unicorn-esque. Like I said, it does have bumper guards as well, which is a very rare option for these Camaros. But we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. Passenger side of the interior is finished beautifully. Like I said, it does have white premium interior. Really looks good with the blue. Really nice. Does have factory air conditioning on this car as well. It's got the vents. Does have the gauges in the console with the tack in the dash. Wood grain steering wheel, tilt wheel, power top, grab handle. Options go on and on and on. Very rare as well. Does have the fold down rear seat. So the seat does lay down completely flat for your coolers or whatever you would like to put on it. So very rare. California option. Really looks good. So top goes down great. Top looks good. Have pictures of the top on my website if you'd like to see that. Oh, let me show you the doors before I go around to the trunk. All the doors, like I said, are in great shape. Really looks good. So I'm going to shut the door here. We'll get inside the trunk here. On the trunk, it does have a factory luggage rack. Very rare for a Camaro, but looks good. A little luggage rack right there. Put all your luggage on there. See a lot on Corvettes, not a lot on Camaros, but it was an option for the cars. So very cool. Open the trunk here. Show you what it looks like. Inside the trunk, we just have some classic splatter paint. Really looks good inside the trunk. It does have the shakers as well on both sides. So very nice. It looks good. It's got the sticker on the trunk lid. So I'm going to shut the trunk here. Dad's going to start it up for us, and we'll see how it sounds. License plate light. Does work. Really nice. It sounds good. Listen to that rumble. Like I said, this car does have a ton of rare options on the car. And really nice. Door buzzer does work. You can hear it now. Probably not with my microphone on, but it does work. If you'd like a video of it, I'll let you know. But it does have tilt wheel. Wood grain steering wheel. It does have the tack in the dash with the clock. And the clock does work as well. Very rare. Most of them never work. But that one is working. Has all the gauges in the console. AM, FM radio, factory air conditioning. Does work and blows cold. Like I said, premium interior, fold down rear seat, power top. The options go on and on this unicorn right here. Like I said, this is a unicorn. So I'm going to take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, it is powered by a 327. Factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes. Really nice car. And I'll show you that tag there, so you can check that out. So, like I said, really nice. Shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible Power Top Rally Sport. lots of options. And it does have brand new wheels and tires as well on this car. Brand new wheels and tires. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. If you have any questions, give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you. But we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro convertible for a test drive. Perfect night to have the top down, going for a cruise. Anything better than a Camaro convertible, I'd like to see it. This one here is really, really nice, and a unicorn at that, with all the options that it has on there. All right, here we go. Like I said, it feels great. We got the top down. We're going for a cruise. It's a perfect day to be driving classic cars and trucks just like this one. All right, we're gonna turn around. I'll show you all the gauges working. The blinkers are working. Great. It does have the blinkers on the hood, and they are working. Show them that other side there, Dad. Yep, it works as well. So really, really cool. We're gonna go for a ride. Here we go. The air does work and blows cold. Really, really nice there. The car runs and drives great. Shifting through all the gears the right way. No rattles or shakes in the car. And head back here, and like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car is made of. All right, here we go. Really runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. It's got excellent power, but just a great cruising car.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So the only thing you really have to do with this car is just get you a big shelf for all your trophies at the car show, because that's what you'd win with this car right here. Like I said, it is kind of a unicorn as well. So we are almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. And we do offer shipping and financing as always available. But this will conclude the test drive. We're going to show you what this car looks like underneath. And here's the underneath.